Welcome to the Spring Water Symposium. My name is Joe Donnelly and I'm Northern Water's project manager for the Chimney Hollow Reservoir Project. The weather this year has been exceptional for a construction project. It's been a nice warm winter and not a lot of snow, and that's enabled us to really get a lot of work done. Recently, we have completed construction of the plinth, which is the reinforced concrete slab that runs through the center of the dam and facilitates our grouting operations. We have just holed through on the Chimney Hollow tunnel. So that tunnel was actually excavated from two different directions. So we excavated the downstream tunnel and then chipped out of there and then excavated the upstream tunnel into that downstream tunnel. Another really exciting milestone is that we've just hit the halfway point on the Chimney Hollow Dam. So the dam is now 175 feet tall from the downstream toe up, with another 175 feet to go to completion. So 2024 is going to be a very big year at Chimney Hollow. We are planning to finish our grouting program by early summer. So that'll be completing over 28 miles of drill holes into the foundation and grouting up that foundation so that we don't have seepage underneath the new dam. The spillway at Chimney Hollow is well underway. We should finish placing all of the concrete associated with the spillway this year. The Saddle Dam is a 40-foot tall traditional clay core rock-filled dam that's located 2.5 miles south of the main dam at Chimney Hollow. That Saddle Dam should be built in its entirety starting this spring and moving into the fall.
My name is Becky Brush. I'm a project engineer here at Chimney Hollow. This summer, the valve house is going to be starting construction above grade, so you'll see that come together. With the tunnel being complete, we'll be able to start the conduit going through the tunnel and start the inlet and outlet tower.
We are planning to nearly top out the main dam at the Chimney Hollow project by the end of 2024. So we have another 175 feet to go that we should get there around December of this year. To get the dam built this year, we're going to be running 18 100-ton 777 Caterpillar haul trucks. We're going to be placing 5 lifts of asphalt per week all year long to reach that accomplishment. The quarry operations are going to continue through 2024 to provide enough aggregates and fills for the main dam. We've been crushing products out of the quarry and we've stockpiled the materials we need to work. Should have enough material crushed to complete the project in around November of this year and can demobilize the crushing facility from the site. Chimney Hollow Conduit, which is a mile of 6-foot diameter steel pipe, is buried. That work is all wrapping up, and this spring we're going to revegetate that area. We have one more connection to make to the Colorado Big Thompson project so that we can deliver water directly from Chimney Hollow into Carter Lake Reservoir. We are going to start that Carter Lake interconnect work this fall, and we'll have it finished by the end of this year.
People on site are excited that we've reached some of these milestones and to see the next few milestones come into play.
Our team has worked very hard to keep this project on schedule and on budget. We are currently planning to complete the project in late summer of 2025 and begin the first fill. There's not a lot of large, heavy civil projects that you will see of this magnitude that get completed on time. We've been able to control costs for the project. We have some overages that amount to somewhere between 5 or 10% over our original budget for the project. We've been able to work with the Colorado Water Conservation Board to procure some additional financing to finish off the project. Our contractor is going to have 500 people working on site 6 days a week, 24 hours a day throughout 2024. We're starting to get very excited about the commissioning and startup of Chimney Hollow Reservoir. So we have a number of initiatives running at this time to get ready for that. So we have purchased all of the equipment that we need for our controls and our SCADA system, and we're programming that right now and bench testing all of that equipment. We're working with the State Engineer's Office to develop our first fill plan for the Chimney Hollow Reservoir. And we've been working with the Bureau of Reclamation to work on the Chimney Hollow integration plan and coordinate our Chimney Hollow operations with that of the Colorado Big Thompson project and the Flatiron hydropower plant.
As we near the end of construction, our 12 participants are excited to see this come to fruition and excited for the future generations and the water this is going to provide.
We talk a lot about schedule and budget, but I think most importantly for our team is we continue to keep everybody focused on the things that really matter. That's worker safety, quality, and dam safety for the ultimate delivery of the project, and also to honor all the environmental commitments that we've agreed to over the last 20 years.